but Sunny भाई बगैर हेलमेट के कितना बड़ा जिगरा है, and that fast bowling West Indies, that whole era.
Fast bowling. I mean, yeah.
वैसे क्यों नहीं पहनते सनी भाई? Did you?
नहीं, इन्होंने शुरू
find it
किया था.
obstructing?
See, नहीं कुछ नहीं. Since there were no helmets for the first 7-8 years that I started playing.
Right.
So there was no such thing. हमारे पास when we started we didn't have thigh pad.
नहीं करे यार.
Thigh pad नहीं था, तो thigh pad होटल के जो face towels होते थे, we would put that in our pocket here, and that was our thigh pad to start with.
Oh, really?
My
So
goodness.
Which year was that roughly?
70.
70.
Wow.
So 70, 71. So there was, once you don't have that equipment, you don't even think about wanting it.
Yeah.
So similarly with the helmet, we didn't even think about, wanting to wear a helmet.
All right, सुहेल गागाई पूछ रहे हैं सनी भाई आपसे, please tell us something about जावेद मियांदाद. ये है उनका सवाल है टोटल. Please tell us something about जावेद मियांदाद.
As a player, as a person.
I think Javed is, one of the finest batters you could have seen. For us, I think his wicket was the most important wicket.
Acha.
Because, you got him out, we knew that, the others could be there. There was, of course, Zaid was there, Zahir was there. There was Mudassar, who scored plenty of runs against us. Plenty. There were other wonderful players. Majid really didn't get going against India in the 2 series that he played. Asif Iqbal was there. So
Mushi bhai bhi the.
Mushi was there. So
Yeah.
there was plenty. But with Javed, you knew, till Javed was around, Pakistan was in the game.
Okay.
It was like that. So Javed could be batting with number 9, 10, 11, but Javed would take them up with him, and win the game, as he won that game, that last ball 6, which we saw in Sharjah. So for me, I think, Javed was the best that I've seen. And, he was a shararati.
Yeah, off the field.
असल में हम वो जानना चाहते हैं.
Irritate भी करते थे, irritate.
He never actually irritated me, because, once I went into a zone, I actually,
Tuned out completely.
tuned out. So we've talked about that room number and all that.
Yeah,
But that match which Pakistan won in Bangalore.
Yeah.
So we were disappointed. We were sitting in our change room, and we could hear all the, Nach Kana and all being going on in the next room, because winning a series in India for the first time was huge.
Massive.
So after about half an hour, 40 minutes, I think Kapil was the captain. Let's go in their change room and congratulate. Abhi guys, now what happens is people are lined up at the ground only. So you shake hands and you go.
That's it.
But in those days, you sat in your change room.
Yeah.
So we came, we went. And because I had batted for a long time, I was probably almost the last to come into the change room. As soon as I entered, Javed was there with his hands, on his this thing. And then, sorry, Sunny bhai, aapko gali di, sorry. गाली दी? कब? यार आपके सामने तो खड़ा था, सामने होके आपको गाली दी। ऐसे मैंने तो कुछ नहीं सुना। ऐसी बातें कर रहे हैं, इधर तो आपके सामने खड़ा। ऐसे जावेद, मुझे लगा तू सलीम से कुछ बात कर रहा है, सलीम यूसुफ। तो सलीम से कुछ बात कर रहा होगा। कैसी बातें कर रहे, So he went on about नहीं सुना। So Imran saw this going on, and Imran from behind, you were also in the chair. Imran said, Sunny, any issues? I said, no, don't worry. Javed and I were just sorting it out. So so I said, I really didn't.
तो सर में उनका और वो दिलीप विंग सारकर भाई का.
तो he then आखिरी बार पूछना, सच में कुछ नहीं सुना? तो I said नहीं. तो मैंने ऐसे ही खाली पीले आपको सॉरी बोल दिया।
बगैर किसी वजह की सॉरी बोल दिया। That is जावेद मियांदाद। बशारत बाजवा का सवाल है वसीम भाई आपसे। उन्होंने अपनी तस्वीर भी लगाई है आपके साथ, ये दोबारा जरा क्लोजअप दिखाइएगा। वसीम अकरम को कहिए मिले बाजवा साहब, अगर ये आप इस कैमरे में आ जाए। There you go, there you go.
Okay.
That's him. और उन्होंने सवाल पूछा है आसरूम, वसीम भाई
जी,
कल धानी खेल सकता है?
वैसे आपस की गल बिशारा साहब ध्यान नूं खड़ाई दियो।
जरूरी है, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल है। आयशा जावेद आपसे, जवाद, सॉरी माय अपॉलॉजीज। आयशा जवाद जो है सनी भाई आपसे सवाल पूछ रही है। डियर सनी सर, please tell us when was your last visit to Pakistan and what is your single greatest memory of Pakistan outside the cricket ground?
My last visit, I think, was in 1998. There was a 3-match series. I think both the teams actually, India and Pakistan teams, flew from Toronto. Okay. There was a Toronto, that Sahara series. So I think we all came together on I mean, both the teams came on the same flight maybe from Toronto, so directly to Pakistan. That's I think my last time I visited.
Right.
And
98.
yeah,
1998.
98 or 97.
That's a lot.
चलिए मैं आप आएंगे ना आपको इतना खाना खिलाएंगे कि आप
वो छोड़े, वो मेरा डिपार्टमेंट है, इसका नहीं है। ये अगर आपके इनके से ये खाना खिलाएंगे तो आप भूखे वापस जाएंगे पाकिस्तान से। आपने मुझसे खाने। आगे चलें सर। And what is your getting a single greatest memory outside the cricket ground in Pakistan?
I think the single greatest memory outside is for me was when I was given a rousing welcome at the Gaddafi Stadium when the Pakistan team was being felicitated in 1992 for winning the World Cup. So I was invited by the Pakistan government then
Right.
to join in the celebrations. And the reception that I got when my name was announced by the whole crowd, that to me has been my most amazing memory.
Wow.
That's a great memory to share with us. Thank you so much. Ali Ibrahim का सवाल है सर, वो भी आपसे है. How has cricket changed from your era to now? Has the game tilted too much in favors of the batters over bowlers? Is this good for cricket? With more focus on fours and sixes, has the essence of the game been lost?
I don't think so. The game has become far more entertaining because you're getting more results. And as you said, there are a lot less dot balls, if I might say, even in Test cricket, because people are now looking to play shots. People believe they can play shots. So therefore, maybe you don't often find too many 250, 300 runs being scored by an individual batter. That would be the one change. I think the balance needs to be changed in as much as the boundaries have to be increased.
Right.
For television coverage, you have, today you see a ground like this, for example, if this is your ground, your boundary is here. While this is the place where, this could be the fence.
The fence, right.
So there is so much space, but a lot of that space is taken for television cameras, etc.
Yeah.
But even if you still, this is the boundary.
Right.
This is where the LED advertising boards are. So you push the LED advertising boards here, bring it here.
Right.
And I know and I understand because now people do the sliding stop, they can hit their head and all that. So, but I've also said to the ICC that halfway the advertising boards, you can make foam there. Foam ka kare, matlab anybody crashes into it, he does not get seriously injured. Halfway.
Yeah. No, we had this discussion, Sunny bhai, on this show. जब हम देखते हैं even this ICC Champions Trophy, 62 meters, 63 meters,
So
that's
bowlers,
not fair.
So a lot of sixes which are hit would be out caught if you push the boundaries back. And you have
70 meters एक रखते हैं पैरामीटर के भी ये बाउंड्री ग्राउंड अगर बड़ी है तो ये 70 मीटर बाउंड्री होगी हर
Minimum.
ground की.
Minimum.
I agree.
Yeah.
Totally.
All right. Okay. Folks, we've got your questions coming in. We know we have a lot of questions coming in. Hashtag Ask the Room. And a lot of them for Sunny Paji. But we've got some jalebi as well. Yes.
I was just going to give you.
Right, sir. Thank you. यही मोहब्बत
आपको
चाहिए.
देने की जरूरत वैसे नहीं है